This is Mark with ILO's Locksmiths. Today we're going to talk about the LSDA RK450 Series. The 450 Series. To me, this seems to be one of the latest series that they made with this padlock. It's like the third generation. Because I had some difficulty changing it from what they call the non-key retaining. When you buy these things, they're key retaining, so when you stick the key in, you can't pull the key back out until you close the shackle. And my customer wants to be able to unlock it, take the key out, leave the padlock open until they're ready to lock it just by hand. So I tried to figure this out, and then finally I had some success. So we're going to talk about how to change this from a key retaining to a non-key retaining, and we're also going to talk about changing out a shackle. By default, this is the standard shackle size. Well, my customer also wants to upgrade the shackle to 4-inch. So let's get to it. First of all, you basically disassemble and remove the cylinder, like you normally do. You unlock the padlock, you come down where the shackle is, unscrew this falls out. Okay, you got your cylinder. Now the fun part is, I know you're not going to be able to see down in that keyway there, or that opening, that cavity. Well, down where the cam on the back of the lock cylinder meets the rotating assembly inside here, there is a brass post or a pin in there. You have to remove that in order to make it a non-key retaining. So there's I call it a firewall, but there's a silver shield back in there. It's got a Phillips head screw. If you don't have a small pair of tweezers like I don't, you have to take that shield off. So after you unscrew it, this is what it looks like. You remove that shield, and then you get your tweezers and you remove that post I was telling you about. And there it is. That's stuck way at the bottom. So you remove that. You put everything back together. You put that shield in, screw it back in, put your cylinder back in place, and then this is what you get. You pull the key out, and there you go. You don't have to use the key. So that brass post was preventing this key from coming out until you pushed in the shackle. Okay, let's move on to upgrading the shackle to a 4-inch. They made this simple. In the old days, you had to disassemble the whole inside, remove the springs, the stainless steel balls that hold the shackle in, the spring, all that. Well, nowadays, you unlock the lock, all right, like that, and you get a hex tool, and you remove this pin, threaded pin that holds, it's on the side of the body, the lock body. And once the lock is unlocked, you remove this screw, you can pull the shackle up like that. And when you swap it out, this is what you get. Snap it in, put that screw back in, and there you go. you got yourself a non-key retaining lock with a 4-inch shackle. There you go. Hope this is helpful. If you need anything else or you have any questions about products or availability, call us at 404-365-8556. Again, this is Mark with ILO's Locksmiths. Thank you and have a good day.